everybody, it's Jess. I hope you're enjoying opening these gifts. Here we have another gift wrapped in tissue paper. It says, Day 5, save this gift for Day 7. So we have another component to use for the project on Day 7. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And I hope you're enjoying opening these gifts. Between all of preparation for the holidays, this is such a fun treat just for you. So here we have a piece of faux leather. This is our forest green Pebble faux leather. Such a gorgeous color. This color was so highly requested and it's a great color for the holidays. So hang on to this for Day 7 and I can't wait to show you the project with you.